Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic, how to create stream ordering of the DEM image through ArcGIS software. At first open the ArcGIS software and open the DEM image. So there is this not a full image stream ordering calculation. Particular place there is this stream ordering calculation. So there is at first create a shape file. New to shape file. Stream order. Stream ordering and features type. There are polygon, edit, input, coordinate system, and OK. Start editing. So there is shape file and save edit. Go to Arch Catalog and this analysis tool to extraction, extract by mask. Input DEM image, input shape file, output location, and OK. There are extract by mask complete. Minimize this portion. There is DEM image and calculate the stream ordering. At first, go to Arch Catalog to station analysis tool to hydrology. Hydrology to at first field calculation. Input this image here and output surface raster name, output name, and OK. They are calculating the field. Let's complete this. They are complete this field extract by mask. Field complete. And another next step, there are flow direction. So input surface raster, field, and output name, and output drop raster. They are optional. And OK. The calculation, there are flow direction of this place. There are flow direction of this particular place, and next there are calculation the flow accumulation. So input flow direction image and output name. There are output data type float or integer. I choose this float and OK. There are flow accumulation calculate. there are complete of the flow accumulation. And next there are map algebra. And next there are map algebra to raster calculation. So there are raster calculation windows open, and there are input flow accumulation data greater than 1000. There are choose 1000, 5000, etc. etc. Output location and OK. There are calculation of the flow accumulation of this image and close. Next there are process. There are stream ordering. So hydrology to stream order. So input raster calculation image and input flow direction. Input flow direction raster. Flow direction. Output name and method of stream ordering. There are Strahler and strip. I choose Strahler and OK. There are calculate the stream order of this image. So there are calculation of the stream order. And next step to stream to features. Input stream raster and input flow direction. Output location of this place and OK. So complete this stream to features. And next there are water set. Input flow direction, input raster, and output location and OK. Next there is water set. Input flow direction and input raster means there are stream order and OK. So there is calculation of this stream ordering water set. Next there is basin of this image. Input flow direction and output name and OK. They are running this basin of this water set. So there is basin of this there are basin of the particular place. So there are watershed, this watershed, and there is basin of this particular place. Next, there is stream ordering, and go to stream order properties. Stream to features, properties, and labels. Labels 2 and next this process stream to features, right click and go to properties. So labels, label features in this layer, define class of features, label field, there are git code, 8 bolt, and symbology, there are unique value, add data and change this color, and git code. There are first order, second order or third order. There is first order river and there is fifth order river. Change this order size. There is 5 order river, 4, 3, 2 order, and so there are first order, second order or third order. Image, there is calculation of the stream ordering by this dim image. So there is stream flow and basin of this place. So there are stream ordering particular image, and there are and file to print and set up landscape. And there is image and right click this portion and zoom to layer. So there is and next there is insert and title. stream ordering, and insert north arrow, scale, division 2, there are kilometer, level km, and okay. There are scale, and next there are legend. And next and size of this legend. Next border, background, drop shadow, rounding. Next, so there are legend, scale, and north arrow. So there is this complete of the stream ordering. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel